What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Crypto Rough, where we demystify cryptocurrency every single day, or in this case, in the middle of the night. The Bitconnect X ICO is now live. We can now log in, sign up if you're not a US citizen. So I just confirmed by clicking the login button, as you can log in with your normal Bitconnect info. You have to be a non-US citizen to log in, so I was really bummed to confirm that, but it should be available to US citizens after the ICO is what I've heard. So what is Bitconnect X? It's an open source blockchain based decentralized currency that enables instant payments to anyone with minimum transaction fees. Bitconnect X also allows you to earn interest for helping maintain security on the network by holding BCCX in a Qt desktop wallet. So that's like staking that is attached to the network, allowing transactions to flow through it. So it's pretty much the same as the Bitconnect coin wallet staking. The Bitconnect X website will include an exchange of multiple cryptocurrencies and utilize Bitconnect X on merchant sites, providing instant payments with fast confirmation times, regularly less than 2 minutes. So that confirms it, guys. Bitconnect X will be an exchange. Here's a little bit of the statistics for you. 49 million max coin supply, 14,700,000 available. They're gonna have 11 million, almost 12 million in the total ICO distribution, and a little bit of a reserve fund here. So it looks like they're selling about 261,000 every 24 hours, so they're kind of having a daily limit there. It's rewarding lightning fast transactions, very low transaction fees, and staying decentralized. It is running the script POWPOS algorithm. So the algorithm it's running is script, which is the same as LITECOIN. So to mine Bitcoin, Bitconnect X, that would be using the script algorithm. There's proof of stake, proof of work, coin abbreviation BCCX, and we already read the max coin supply. Now this is the ICO bonus distribution. If you buy in round 1, you get a 5% bonus to the coins you buy. Round 2, a 2% bonus. That's after January 25th, and round 3, no bonus after the 9th of February to the 23rd, when the ICO ends on the 23rd. Merchant requirements. It was developed to meet the requirements of merchants and payment processors. So it looks like there's going to be some type of partnership with different merchants and payment processors, possibly another card, hopefully one we can use in the US this time, so that we can, in the form of a debit card, use the tokens when we can use them. It's going to have really rapid transactions and very low transaction fees. They will allow cryptocurrency enthusiasts a trading experience with the lowest transaction fees ever. They have a wallet you can download and check out, and the exchange BCCX will be available for trading on open exchanges to trade against various other cryptocurrencies, coming soon. So here's the FAQs. There was a different page earlier for the facts that was leaked. Most of those questions are not on here now. I assume there, if we click view more, it'll bring us to that page. But there we see that page is now not working. And where'd the website go? Okay. Their website is probably getting really flooded at this time. Here we go. So let's scroll back down. There's, I guarantee, a lot of people. So there's the FAQs there. Frequently asked questions. Looks like some press releases to get some extra information and contact them. So what I thought was cool was the roadmap is live. If we can get it to work here, there we go. This roadmap is a highlight of the Bitconnect team's vision and development priorities. This roadmap is intended to provide an area of when certain features are likely to become available. So here we see the ICO release in January. In February, looks like a Bitconnect X web and desktop wallet. So the wallet's coming then for desktop, and it looks like they'll have a web wallet as well. Listing on Coin Directory and Explorer, CoinMarketCap, World Coin Index, CoinGecko. So it looks like the coin will be made live after the ICO ends the end of February. It will be live on sites like CoinMarketCap that hold the global average of the market cap for the coin, as well as how much is traded and how much is in circulation. Later in March, we see Bitconnect X testing mode. The exchange is going to launch in test mode early March, and I believe that lines up perfectly with the Bitconnect roadmap, the 2018 roadmap we saw earlier this year. They said March would be the decentralized exchange, and here we see that lining up perfectly with the Bitconnect X exchange. Launch of Bitconnect X here. This will be the full exchange launching in April. Feature building, debugging, just working out the kinks in the system in May. Adding more cryptocurrency pairs, getting added to the exchange platform. So it'll look like there'll be different cryptocurrencies added to trade against Bitconnect X and probably the Bitconnect token as well. Security improvements. In August, October, we see a mobile wallet for iOS and Android. Very cool to see that. And then merchant API, private API for merchants and service providers in November. December, Bitconnect X trading API, public API, public and private API for traders. So maybe another lending program coming next December, or some other type of trading going on, maybe a trading bot to trade currencies on the exchange possibly. So that's pretty much it right now. Like I said, the login and sign up, I can't check that out because I'm a US citizen. Really bummed out about that, very sad. But that is a first look at the website, guys. It is currently being flooded by lots of traffic, so I'm happy to have gotten a look at it when I got the chance. So I hope you guys enjoy that first look of the website, going through the roadmap and explaining the different features. Thank you guys for watching. I just wanted to upload this small video to you guys. It's not really edited or anything, but thanks for watching, and I hope that those of you who aren't US citizens can get in. What I failed to mention earlier, the price of the coin is $50 US per coin right now. So I have some friends overseas. Maybe I can get them to buy me a couple coins and hold them for me until the ICO finishes, when the coins are made available to US citizens, and then they can send them over to me. If you have trustworthy friends overseas, you know, that you can trust with your money, maybe that's something you can do. But other than that, guys, that's it. That's pretty much all Bitconnect X is right now. All that I can view anyway. I look forward to watching videos of people that can actually log in and showing the purchasing of the ICO. This explains a little bit why a new cryptocurrency ICO and exchange. It's developed to meet requirements of merchants and payment processors. It'll be a foundation for the exchange, offering rapid transactions. So that could possibly be awesome for traders. A decentralized exchange, helping with tax laws, and just being decentralized and set apart from government meddling fingers. And, you know, with fast, rapid transaction time, that could mean very well that traders will have a place that they can go and trade rapidly, making the most money on their exchanges with paying very minimum in fees. So definitely be on the lookout for Bitconnect X exchange. Check out the roadmap, check out their website, guys, and have a good night. If you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel where I'm going to update you regularly. Turn on post notifications, subscribe to the channel, and leave any comments down below. Alright guys, thanks for joining me for a first look at the Bitconnect X website. We'll see you tomorrow.